Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to Oxman Garage. If you haven't visited the channel yet, my name is Philip, and well, today's going to be day 2 of the saga of the car trailer. So I need to use this in 2 days to go pick up one of my cars. So this needs to work. So today what we're going to do is, obviously the last time we were working with this obviously isn't seated. We tried to seat it, it wasn't working. So what I'm going to end up doing today, taking the wheels off, get into a shop, and just going to inflate it the normal way, the way you're supposed to do it. So let's get these wheels off, throw it in the back of the truck, and get this done today. Alrighty, so I got my 22 socket, got my breaker bar. So put this bad boy together, and let's get at it. And actually, these are not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Slide that down a little bit. I say that now. And watch one of these be a completely another big bang. Alrighty. Now. Oh, that's the drill. That's the wrong one. Don't think that's gonna take lug nuts off. Let me go get my impact gun. So, just thought about something. So I charged the batteries for my DeWalt, which is my 1/2-inch impact. But I forgot somebody, not mentioning any names, Yoshi, has my 1/2-inch impact gun, and it's not even anywhere near Maryland. Nope, it's sitting in Colorado. That's not gonna help me very much now, is it? And my 3/8 impact is not charged because I wasn't gonna use it, because obviously, and I don't have a 22 inch, oh, not 22 inch, 22 millimeter, 22 inch, it would be huge socket, a 22 millimeter socket for 3/8, and I don't have a 1/2 inch to a 3/8 adapter. So yep, that just became a new best friend for the next like 10-15 minutes. But obviously this isn't going to take 10-15 minutes for you, but yeah, I'm gonna hate my life for a couple minutes. Well, on taking the tires off. Okay, so what did I check the fucking No, I'm good. Thank you. Alright, I know that was a little hard to watch, but we got it off. Definitely need to clean up in here for sure with all the little rust popping up. So that's definitely, not today, but definitely another chore to do. But gotta get the other wheel. Alright guys, so I got both tires, wheels and tires removed, all gone. Alright, so I gotta get tires in the back of the truck. And the smart thing would be is to tear the truck on, drive it back here, and then do it. But we don't like doing things easy. No, we like doing it the hard way. Let's do it one at a time so I actually carry the camera and do this at the same time. Yes, I know. There's some stuff back here. But move these to the side and we'll be good to go. Don't mind the big bite. It's actually buffalo chicken rollers. Alright, let's get this. And then alright, well, we got both tires in the back of the truck. Close that up. Go grab tools off the trailer. My socket and my ratchet. Sure glad I had those, because didn't have my impact somebody. But alright, so off to the shop to get the air put back into these tires. I'm also, wow, my voice is cracked really bad, and that's staying in the video. And what do you call it? And to see if they have another stem, metal one, not a rubber one. That the other one does still have the rubber one, and I'm afraid of it blowing out just like the other one did. But hey, if they don't, we'll air them back up and hope for the best. Expect the worst. No, 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 no. We're not expecting the worst. Expecting the best. Alright guys, so day 2. What day 2 is going to be is getting the tires back onto the trailer. Gotta grab the jack this time for 2 reasons. One, I was struggling last time too. I can't lift the trailer and put a wheel on the same time, can I? Can I? Oh. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the torque wrench and torque these down. If you look at one of these bolts, it's telling me I need to torque these to 90 to 95 foot-pounds. I don't know if you can see that or not. You should be able to, yeah. You definitely can. So yeah, 90 95 foot-pounds. So let's go grab the torque wrench, lower this trailer down so this tire doesn't move, and get that torqued up. Stayed this far in the video, thank you. I got a special surprise for you. We're going to go to the Port of Baltimore. You guys are going to be the first ones to see the new car. What is it, you may ask? Let me know in the comments below before I show it to you guys. What could it be? It is from Japan. It is right-hand drive. Is it something cool? Is it something weird? It could be anything. Alright guys, so well, we're on the road, we're a little late. I was supposed to be there between 8 and 8:30. It's kind of like 7:50. Probably half an hour away or so. So yeah, it's off to a great start this morning. And that's not good. Boys, he was staying, he's staying. the port, and they've already called me while I'm on the road, so they are waiting on me. So we got to step on it, quick. All right, so crazy turn of events. At the current time, I am stuck on the highway because of a drawbridge. I just got done fixing a flat tire I just had about half an hour ago. It took me about 20 minutes. Got back on the road, no big deal. Started driving. Now I'm stuck on the highway because of a damn drawbridge. I've never in my whole life living here ever got stuck on this. Never. I used to work up here, drive this way all the time, up here in the morning, the afternoon. I've driven this road, I can't tell you how many times. I've never been stuck here at this drawbridge. And the morning that I wake up a little late, get a flat tire on the trailer, I'm now stuck at the drawbridge. Everything comes in threes, right? That's 3. So apparently everything else today should go smooth and as silk. So we should find out. Oh, and keynote, all you guys are dicks. All of y'all. Cause look, right there, behind that there's a truck all the way back there starting to come up, but there's nothing there. Nope, but all you guys, you want to snake through, try to get by. Dicks. Alright guys, so I'm on the road again. We got the car. It is secure. It is good. We are awesome. So we're gonna go head back home, drop my brand new car back off. Can you guys see it? Do you know what it is yet? Do you? I'll show it to you when I get home. I'll stop teasing you guys. But give me like 15-20 minutes, and for you it's gonna be like, well, you know, as you do. Alright guys, so we've made it back home. 3, 2, 1. Nissan Laurel, check this thing out. Fresh off the boat. It's looking really good. I think this is locked. Yes, but I got the key. We got the key to the passenger side. Ta-da! So, got a bunch going on. Looks like an owner's manual in here. It is. Oh, I don't know what. Oh, this is a maintenance records. That's super cool. Maintenance records. Got the auction sheets, license plate brackets. Looking pretty nice though. Can't complain. They have these little blue LEDs all over it. Like all the lights are switched to blue LED, which is kind of annoying because if you look here in the front, I'm gonna have to figure this out, or actually I'm probably just gonna take these off, but look, they're on. No idea. I'm gonna have to check that out, but hey, looks great. It's a really clean car, honestly. Let me go over here. I know I have this unlocked still. But check it out. A Momo steering wheel, that's super dope. The interior is pretty nice too. I mean, it's not really that messed up or anything. Oh, gas door. It's got dead electricity though. Little LED lights are on, but I'm not going to try and mess with everything. I'm going to have to see what I'm going to do with all those. And I'll pop the hood for you guys. Just kind of not working. Let's close the door. Make sure I got the key, which I do. Lift them up. I'll have to lock that the hard way because that bounced back. It's not supposed to do that. And get a trailer and bam! There she is. Yeah, see how all the actual little connections, like I'm gonna have to figure that out. I have no idea. There's a whole bunch of stuff. There's this life wink or whatever. I guess it tells you what the battery is, but I like the Batman. That's super cool. I really like that. But I mean, other than like all the little like random wires and stuff, it's pretty stock, and it's really clean. It really is. There's not that much corrosion or anything like that. Like, I'm really surprised. It's a really solid car. Close this back up. trunk. Now, the trunk is kind of weird. Not because it looks weird, but there's feathers in here. Like what? Feathers? From where? Is that Japanese bird? Is that Japanese bird feathers? And I'm not gonna take a look into this. We'll do that later, but I mean, it looks solid. Like, no real rust or anything, so that's awesome. And then obviously we got the spare tire right there. But it's looking like a really solid car, guys. So really excited. Really excited to see what can be done. But we'll get into taking a lot of this crap off, a lot of the blue LEDs that need to come off, and also get into see why there's like a lot of this tape. And I don't know if it's because things are broken or if they just thought it was like cool, but like you see it's all around, like it's in all kinds of random places on the car. So we'll have to find out and see what's going on. And it's not locking, so that's not good. So I'll have to figure that out too. Alright guys, well this is going to effectively end today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, guys. And like squad, please go smash that like button for me. Guys, enjoy the new car.